Hi, it's Hugo from the FDA team at Gladia. So a few weeks ago, we released our n8n node to use Gladia in your workflow to use all of its transcription and all of its add-on. So today I'd like to show you around a bit how to install the node on the cloud version of n8n, how to set up the API key, and also I will demo a small workflow a bit to create a watch list from YouTube video based on Gladia transcription and the summarization add-on to build a daily or weekly watch list of all the video you send through a Telegram channel. So I'll start by showing you around how to install the node, how to set it up, adding the API key. Then I will show you the workflow a bit, detailing a bit each node. And we will end up by the demo on Telegram to show you how it works. So here we are on n8n. So I will create a new workflow, adding a simple trigger, manual trigger. And I will add the Gladia node. So here you have Gladia, and you're supposed to have an install button here. I already have installed it on my computer, so let's just click on that. So this is the Gladia node, where you can have as an input a audio URL or directly binary data you want to send to Gladia. This is where you put the data. Here you have all the add-ons you want to use. We have the famous derivation, the code switching, all the languages if you want to enable multiple languages for transcription. And here there's the credential setup. So I already have my API key listed here, but you can put your own, and the condition is tested, so you're sure it works. So I have with me this audio file link that we use for testing purpose at Gladia, and we'll execute the step. So here we have the output. So let's look at in JSON, and we can see all the data from our transcription along the transcription, the language, the utterances, the timestamps, everything you can find when using Gladia in other implementation. So here's the workflow we use today for the demo. So as you can see, the trigger is no more click trigger, it's a Telegram trigger. So it will be triggered every time a user sends a message to the bot. Then there's a switch for different kind of scenarios. So the first one is the link injection. So the switch rule for this one is just that the message sent by the user is matching a YouTube URL. The two others are just like sending a command to create the weekly report or the daily reports. It's supposed to be a current job, but for the demo, I added these two commands just to show you how it works. Then we have the famous Gladia node for the transcription. So taking as an input the link you sent in the chat, and with the summarization add-on enabled to have the summarization of the video, then saving it in a table. So this is a native n8n table, so it will just save the video URL, the whole transcription of the video, the summarization generated by Gladia, and also the video name for the reports. And then we send a message to the user to acknowledge that it works. And for the summary, for the watch list reports, so there's a variable set, so just to save if you want your weekly or daily reports. There's a get in the table, then a code just to set up all the table data in a message format for the user, and then sending the reports. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, I already sent a few videos for the reports. I will demo you what happened when I send a new one. So this one is the Gladia Food demo from our TF Farouk. So the bot is actually processing the video right now. So it's just loading, sending it to Gladia and doing the transcription. As you can see here, on Gladia, the video transcription is in progress. It's started working, and I just received a notification telling me video saved to the watch list. So it means the transcription has been done, the summarization has been done, and it has been saved to the table. So let's try to get a daily report now. So let me send the command to the bot, daily reports, and here we are. So we have the report with all the video we added from the most recent to the older one we sent, with a small summary of the video, a link to Watchlist. So that's all for today. Don't hesitate to share in the comments how you will be using Gladia in your n8n workflow and which use case it's been unlocking. Don't hesitate to share the video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.